You suffered a significant injury in a car accident, and now you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit. But your biggest concern is that you're going to have to go all the way to trial. Let me share something with you that may prevent you from having to go all the way to trial, and it may actually help you. Come join me as I share this great information with you. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. Did you know that there's something called mediation? Mediation is a private negotiation process that occurs before you ever get to trial. It's an opportunity to present your side of the case to somebody who's known as an impartial mediator, somebody who sits and listens and tries to negotiate your case. Now, the defense, on the other hand, will also try and do the same thing. They are there to try and negotiate as well, assuming everybody agrees to try and negotiate before your case gets to trial. There's an important reason to try and mediate your case. Why? Because it's a private process. It's not a public process. So it saves time. There are not a lot of witnesses involved. It allows the parties to come together who recognize that there is a significant problem, either with responsibility, who's responsible for the accident, as well as what's the value of this case. Do we have risk by going to trial, by going to a jury, and not knowing what a jury is ultimately going to do? Are they going to award a significant award, more than what the case is worth? Are they going to award less? Anytime you go to jury verdict, you never know what the jury is going to do, no matter what type of case you have. So when you go to a mediation, both sides come to the table with the understanding that there's a possibility the case could try and be settled. And it really is a negotiation process. And the real question is, how long does a mediation last? Well, mediation could last an hour, could last half a day, could last a day or more. The whole purpose of mediation is to have an informal setting in an office. Now we present our side of the case to the mediator. Then the defense presents their side. The mediator will then go from one side to the other with different proposals. And he will lay out the risks associated with going to trial. He will try and put pressure on both sides to try and negotiate the case now and try and come up with a solution that will make everybody agreeable. Now I will tell you that not every mediation settles. Not every mediation is successful. There are many instances where a mediation can successfully resolve the outcome and prevent the need for you to go all the way to trial. So why do I share this information with you about mediation? Because it's important for you to understand as you go through the process and try and identify what to do next. You're now contemplating bringing a lawsuit, you're contemplating hiring an attorney, and now you want to gather as much information as possible to help you understand what your next options are. Well, as always, since you do have questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, @oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.